Okay, this is on the Mizell job, number 55212, still on 5.5 and 5.6 by Jason. So a few things changed that I'll have to change in a minute, but furnace will be 9.5 inches over from this wood wall here. I have some little marks on there, but the back of the furnace will be the same as the existing. Furnace will sit on a 6-inch base. Furnace coil, you have one piece of duct and a canvas that's cut down. So it's going to be kind of tight. Okay, you're going to have an April air filter box here and duct just as it shows on your supply. Your cut line is right here on your return. Cut line's right there, and then from side to side. We are putting in a new humidifier. Okay, return air. We're going to put a 15 by 3 U-shaped piece of duct right here with the end cap. Come up 5-footer, and then the only way I could figure to do this is to put a square round right here and tap a 10-inch round into the return air panning up here. Because we can't get 10-inch through here or here with the door opening. So that's that. So this is all return air panning. You can see it through here as well. So it should be all return air. I screwed the water heater over just a little bit. Your furnace is going to come to right here. So that's that. On the this here, well, you get it. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, combustion air. He wants to bring in a 6-inch from the outside. So we have to have our clearance from our dryer vent. So I figure our combustion air is going to have to come out right here by the window. If you can get it over here, you know, because our flue has to be 1 foot from the window. Combustion air, you know, and 4 feet from the flue. Combustion air has to be, you know, that X-Men far away from the flue too. So we don't have much room to work with. So the way I told her is a combustion air here, come out and just bring it down, you know. Well, this is return air, so you're going to have to bring it down over here somewhere, just in the room. And then flues back here, but do it however you can make it work. You know, if you need to bring the flues down back over here and drop them down and over here and, you know, and that kind of thing. When you get everything out, line it out. That's going to be the hard part of this job, is trying to get everything to fit in here. Originally, I put the combustion air to a 6x12 grill, but I don't think we have room for that, so I'm going to have to change this to a 6-inch dryer vent and pull the flapper out and put a piece of screen. We just don't have the room for to add another foot. The vent, oh, here's another fun one. So, gonna rip out this B vent, and that is single wall up to the ceiling-ish, and that's 3-inch. So you're gonna have to remove the single wall up, and you're gonna put a 6x4 B vent reducer, And I gave you an adjustable and a 6-inch and some 4-inch 90s and stuff, and a 3-foot piece. And then the 4-inch aluminum to get to the water heater. So that's going to be kind of hard to get it up in there. Well, once you have everything ripped out, it shouldn't be too hard, but it's all against code right now. Okay, I went over the furnace already. Flat termination out there. But I don't think you can have 12 inches over the window for the flue, because those aren't 12-inch joists. So that's why I'm saying you may have to go back over there with something, or, you know, you get it. Jason's installing this. It should, he'll figure that part out easy. Let's see, vent. Oh yeah, I went over that. So the gas. So your furnace is going to sit right here. The gas is going to be like a 1/2 inch crooked, just like it is now. It's just a little crooked, but it'll work there. From the caulk, just as it shows. AC, I'll go out there in a minute. I haven't, it's changed. We have the wrong AC, so I'm going to have to order a different AC. So what I have written down is wrong. But I don't know what the new AC is yet, condenser is yet. The coil is correct though. The drain, you're going to put in a condensate pump, and you're going to pump it to the washer stack right here. Standard order with a humidifier. Stat, you're going to put it on an S40 thermostat. You're going to need to pull shielded wire to it, as well as to the AC. The power, I'm going to give you a new box and a combo safety switch with cover. So the return air, so ignore the scope on the return air. I called Lance and changed it. They have this existing 16x16 grill, so I already went over it with you. We're gonna U-shape out and run and top the 10-inch up here. Oh, I skipped the humidifier. So we're replacing the humidifier. So the water, so it's galvanized water right now. You're going to reuse this water valve. You're going to take this off, and you're going to put a 1/2 inch galvanized cap in there, or plug, I mean. And then right here in the hot water, you're just going to put a 3/4 inch by 1/2 galvanized T. And I gave you a 3/4 close nipple. Then just retouch the flex and give you a 1/2 by 2 nipple. And then reuse this for your water. Oh, you know what? I forgot to write this on here. I'll have to write it on this sheet. So I have a number. So 10, UV light. Install it wherever you can get it. Lance wanted it on the front. I don't know. No, it's not a straight fitting. You may have to get it on the side. But he wants it on the supply if you can. You have to get on the supply. But also on the scope, he has install a run into the bathroom. If you look on the back of the furnace, there's already a run right there. That 6-inch run goes down, and it goes into the bathroom right behind it into a toe kick. So I gave you some 6-inch pipe and stuff, but you're just gonna have to use a 90 right off the back of the furnace, wherever you can get it. You know, if you can't get it there, wherever you can get it. But there, right now, the toe kick is right there, and so they just foamed the hole. So maybe cut this out. It'll give you a brown toe kick grill. Maybe you can like wedge it in there or something. I'm not. You can probably put it up in there and it'll pop up. But take out this foam and put a grill, and that'll be the heat. Okay, let's and that's it. Thanks.